Hey everybody, this is Chad with round two. So we're here for June's monthly product video. So there's a lot of cool stuff this month. We've got 3 new model kits for you guys, a new sci-fi accessory for model kits. There's a new slot car release for Auto World. We got 2 new Johnny Lightning 1/64th releases and 6 new 1/18 scale cars. So a lot of cool stuff. We'll jump in and show you the 1/18 first. Alright, so first off for 1/18, we've got 3 cars that are celebrating the class of 68 that we're doing this year, 50 years for cars from 1968. So first off in that is this is our 1968 Pontiac GTO in Verdoro Green. So what's cool and unique about this model, this is actually based on a GTO used in a GM ad in 1968. It's a famous Woodward Avenue ad that had 2 guys waiting to catch a street race in Detroit on Woodward Avenue. And this car was also shown at the Chicago Auto Show. And this particular one was actually sent to Royal Pontiac as well to be Bobcat performance tuned. So it's a very famous GTO, great looking color, and the red line tires really complement the green well. It's just a really cool looking car. So we're excited to see that one come out. And next up, also in class of 68, this is the 1968 Ford Mustang GT 2+2. So not only is this 50th anniversary for the 68, but it is the 50th anniversary for the Cobra Jet car. So this one is in Gulfstream Aqua. It's got the steerable front wheels, detailed engine, the doors and the hood open, and lots of good detail on that too. And then next up for the class of 68 cars, this is the 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner. So what's cool about this, not only is it 50 years for the 68 Roadrunner, but the 68 was the first year for the Roadrunner, so it's 50 years as well for the Roadrunner model. So this one has the opening doors and hood. We did it in that really bright electric blue, also with red line tires, detailed engine, detailed interior, steerable front wheels, all that cool stuff, and limited edition, one of 1,002. And then next up for 1/18, this is the next release for our muscle car and Corvette National cars. So what this is a 1971 Plymouth Satellite Sebring Plus in that great looking purple color. And this was an actual car that was shown at Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals. And this particular car, that was the first show it was actually ever shown at. It was in Mopar Collector's Guide. But other than that, it had never been taken to a show before. So just a beautiful car, should be a really great release. We're excited for that one. And next up, this is another super cool one. This is the 1967 Baldwin Motion Camaro SS 427. So what's cool about this car, this is based on the very first Camaro that Baldwin Motion ever built. It's got that great looking blue color, red line tires, and there's a newly tooled big block intake manifold for it as well. That black vinyl top, and detailed interior, detailed engine, steerable front wheels, all that good stuff that comes with our 1/18 scale cars. So again, our Baldwin Motion stuff usually sells pretty well. We're really excited to bring another one out for that. And lastly, this is the 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. So what's cool about this, it has that great looking orange color with the color matched orange wheels, the Roadrunner on the side, limited edition, one of 1,002, and same as everything else, opening doors and hood, detailed engine, steerable front wheels, all of that great stuff. So that's everything for 1/18. A lot more 1/18 coming out. Next, we'll jump in and show you guys 1/64th. Okay, so in 1/64th, we've got these 2 new Johnny Lightning releases. So first off, this is the next release for our new truck and trailer series. So there's three cars in this with 2 different colors. So what's cool about this first one is the 97 Chevy Tahoe with the camper trailer. And that camper trailer is a brand new tool for us, never before released. So we've got both versions here. This is the version B with the light blue and the white camper with the graphics. And version A here is in kind of a dark brown color with a beige accents and beige matching camper trailer. And next up for that, this is the 1965 Chevy pickup with the enclosed car trailer, which is also a new tool for us, first release. So we've got both versions. This version B here is white. It's got the red wheels with the white wall tires, red accents, great looking red trailer with chrome accents on that. And the second version in this gunmetal gray with the white top and the matching white and silver enclosed car trailer for those as well. And then lastly in truck and trailer, this is the 1950 Chevy pickup with the open car trailer. So this open car trailer made its debut in our last truck and trailer release. So here's this version B in great looking flat black with that wood bed, black wheels, white tires, and that silver trailer to match. And red on red for the next one. Really great looking car, again with the wood bed, the red wheels, white wall tires. Should be a really cool release. A lot of cool stuff. We're really excited for these truck and trailers, and we'll have more coming for those as well. And next up in Johnny Lightning, the next release is this is our next Classic Gold series. So we've got new cars for this one. First off is the 1968 Chevy Chevelle SS. So here it is, the version A. It's in this great looking kind of seafoam green color. And version B, this bright blue. And next up in Classic Gold, catch that. This is the 1987 Chevy Monte Carlo Aero Coupe. So there's version A in black, the red accenting, and in white for version B. And next here is the 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger 340. So we got this great looking lime green, and in version A it's got the hood scoops, the black hood, black wraparound stripe on the trunk, and version B in purple with this awesome looking white interior, black and chrome wheels, black wraparound stripe on the back. Both great looking cars. Next up, this is the Jeep CJ5 Renegade. So there's two versions of this. This version A, in this great looking like reddish orange color with the blue seats, very much a product of its time. Super cool, super retro looking. And the other version is the silver and black. So these also have our bigger off-road tires on them, which have not been released in this casting before. And next up in Classic Gold, this should be a popular one. This is the re-release of our 1999 Nissan Skyline GTR, the R34. So what's cool about this, we've actually never released our Skyline casting as a stock Skyline, so this is a stock 99. We got it both in blue and in red with the bright white wheels on it. So it should be a very popular car, should be one that you guys are going out and looking for on the pegs. Turned out really great. And lastly in Classic Gold, this is the 1965 Volkswagen Type 2 pickup. So version A is in blue, the white top, got the wood slats in the beds, split window front, and the white wall tires. And version B, great looking black, got the black wheels, also the red wheels, I'm sorry, and also the slotted wood and white top and everything on it. So that's everything we've got for 164th this month. Next I'll jump in and show you guys slot cars. Alright, so for slot cars, this is our next Auto World release. This is the next release of our NASCAR Super 3 cars. So we got 3 new cars for this. This first version is the Exalta, the Dale Earnhardt Jr. car, number 88. The black and red. The second version is the red, white, and blue, number 48 Lowe's Jimmy Johnson car. A great looking livery on that. And lastly, this is the number 24, the also red, white, and blue Chase Elliott car for Napa. So again, another great looking livery on those. The NASCARs are pretty popular, so we like to keep bringing those out for you guys too, and we got some more slot car stuff coming. Next I'll jump in and show you guys model kits. Alright, so first off, for model kits, we're going to start with the car kits here. This is the new AMT, the 57 Chrysler 300C. So some of the cool stuff about this kit, It is created from modern tooling. It's a really high quality kit, good build. It has white wall inserts for the tires and lots of detailed features like the seats, the 392 dual carb V8 engine, chrome plated mirrors and other parts for it, and lots of really cool stuff. So it should be a cool build, good kit. Like I said, newer tooling. We're really excited for that one too. Next up, this has been one that's been asked about by a lot of you truck builders. So this is the Autocar A64B tractor. So what's cool about this, lots of stuff. We expanded the decal sheet, added new cab striping. This kit has more than 250 highly detailed parts on it. We stuck with the vintage style packaging, and it's got some pretty cool features. Opening hood, 10 different hollow vinyl tires, the air hose tubing is included, sliding fifth wheel on it. I mean, just tons and tons of parts. It should be a really fun in-depth build for all you truck guys. And then next up for the truck stuff, this is the re-release of the Fruhoff van trailer. So this is the Coca-Cola version. So this includes a giant Coca-Cola decal sheet, so you can do it. And this is just the trailer kit. It is meant to be added to, here we go, our Coca-Cola Peterbilt 352 pacemaker. So cab over kit, so you can build the full-on Coca-Cola cab there. Some of the cool stuff about this, it has movable sliding suspension on it. It's got a two-position support assembly, and a lot of cool other features. So it's a good kit for our other Coke stuff. Good kit for the rest of our big cab truck stuff. And lastly, this is for the sci-fi guys. This is the Space 1999. This is the 22-inch Eagle weathering panel decals. So for you guys who want to add some more details to your Eagle, there's this huge sheet for it, so you can kind of see all the different ways that you can set these decals on, all the directions and stuff for that. So we've got more coming for sci-fi model kits, all that kind of stuff. So that's everything we've got for model kits right now. There's, like I said, a lot more coming next month, so we'll see you guys in July. You can follow us on our Facebook pages. I'll post all those below, or go to round2corp.com. Thanks again, guys.